Primetime news this evening. Government must act. Taxi group livid as enforcement of controversial Road Traffic Act is left to police discretion. UTech administrative staff on edge due to slow pace of compensation review. And limited dialysis machines leave renal failure patients at death's door. A Primetime News in Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, Jamaica's import bill has gone up to September last year. More money was spent to bring goods into the island. I'll give you the details a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. We also have Primetime Sports in the package. Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's coming up. Jordan?
Well, Herman, shots fired. There was a violent disruption in Sunday's Jamaica Premier League contest between Very United and Harbourview in Clarendon. I'll give you the details in a Primetime Sports Monday.
And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in weather. Romain?
Thank you so much, Janella. Traffic is very well maintained across the island, so we did have cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions across the west, as well as some scattered showers. We'll tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary on E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how were you impacted by the taxi protest today?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.